Thank you and good morning. I have a brief opportunity to communicate some life-changing information and can do it in 10 minutes. We seldom pause and wonder all the transformative activity happening in our industry. It's phenomenal what we are doing together and how more and more are realizing the promise of SDN made just a few years ago. What you are doing is amazing. It's exciting to see how ONF is able to play a role here. Our recently created open source SDN portal has moved from 0 open source projects in March of this year to 15 with more than 600 participants. Have you heard about Aspen, about Atrium, about Boulder, about Breckenridge, about Centennial, about Durango and Englewood and Telluride and Snowmass and Steamboat? And no, I do not work for the state of Colorado. Most of our projects are growing quickly. We're building community and we're gathering interest. And just yesterday, we announced the industry's first multi-vendor wireless transport SDN proof of concept. This is available on our website and designed to encourage the development, testing, and implementation of open SDN for wireless transport. We salute ONF member companies Cellgon and Corient, Ericsson, Huawei, NEC, SM Optics participating in the testing just last week. It normally takes 6 months to announce the POC results, and we did it in 36 hours with a paper. Testing was hosted by Telefonica and IMDEA Networks with support from Universidad Carlos III de Madrid. Saludos hermanos por su orgullo y fuerza de la comunidad de SDN. Tenemos ganas. All right, so let's talk very quickly because we have a new normal here now that you've woken up. I want to tell you about Aspen, where we published the reference spec Apache 2.0. Concurrently, we published the API spec in Creative Commons, free for the entire world to use, and we actually published the reference code and implementation for Open Daylight in Apache 2.0 on the same day. All right, that's the new normal. No more spec over here and 3 years later code, or code over here that never gets normalized or standardized. There's so many great things that are going on, not only in ONF. Yesterday, we announced our ONF SDN certified professional program, and we had our first SDN certified professionals taking the test and receiving their certified SDN associate certification. These are going to allow professionals to prepare for all the transformative changes in networking, secure employment, find better jobs, and be more successful. I guarantee that everyone who receives this certification is going to make $50,000 US more next year than they made this year. It's going to be great. My name is Donald Trump, and I'm running for president. Seriously, few of us realize, and can you remember your first networking job? Can you remember your first engineer job? How grateful you were to get a break. Someone gave me a break, to get a chance. You knew you could do it. You just needed someone who trusted you. And here now we have a certification from a vendor-neutral organization that can say, this person is ready. Give them a chance. Give them a break. Give her an opportunity to make their way in the world. Think about it. And yesterday we had standing room only downstairs for the training, and it was just fantastic. And then tomorrow, Kirk Beckman from Brocade is going to lead professionals through a TTP workshop. You're going to actually bring home your own TTPs, live coding that you've done right there at the workshop. We already have 30 people signed up. There are a few more slots left, so you better get in on it and don't miss it. Now, that was all introductory. Let's talk about what we really need here in the next 4 minutes. We have the SDN Solution Showcase. This is our second annual. We're so grateful for Layer 1, 2, 3 for having the vision and the faith in us last year when we rolled out the very first SDN Solution Showcase. We've learned a lot. We've got a lot of great information there. Make sure you look for the pop-up signs that say SDN Solution Showcase Presenter. Make sure you use the passport. You get a little sticker at the end of each one. And unlike Donald Trump, someone will win $500 on Friday afternoon for a completed passport. And so please make sure you do that. Just for $500, just for casting one vote, just like Chicago. All right, so keep that in mind. So anyway, we have maps that show where all the vendors are, where all the demos are, so please take advantage of that. And here they are. And here's the map. Here's the passport. I mentioned the certification program. There's lots of information at Table 100. As I mentioned, this is just a tremendous program. If we're deploying training online, we're going to have a full exam suite that will be both in English and simplified Chinese. The Chinese version will launch on January 1st, and it's going to be great. And this week, however, unlike any other week in history, before or to come, it will be free. It will not be free next week, or I'll be out of a job. So let's keep that in mind. We have a full schedule. Please look in your 123 app. This is phenomenal. We're actually using technology in a technology conference. So make sure you find that and take care of that. All kinds of great workshops going on. Please visit our brand new learning portal and training and certification web portal. We have lots of resources, links to training, all kinds of great things. In summary, ONF is doing some exciting things. We salute all the organizations working in this technology area. We applaud your work. We encourage continued collaboration. We're working actively with MEF, with TM Forum, with ODL, with ONOS, with the Linux Foundation. We will go anywhere, do anything, and give whatever it takes to advance our open agenda, open collaboration, open communication that has always been a part of Open Networking Foundation. So on behalf of our board, our executive director, Dan Pitt, one of the best bosses I've ever had. I've gotten fired a lot, no. The 100+ member companies of ONF, the growing number of open source SDN participants, we have truly become a community committed to an industry-changing, life-changing goal. And so we say proudly today in Düsseldorf for the world to hear, wir sind das SDN Volk. Danke, goodbye.